Okay, I'll be doing my tutorial on the app Remind. So Remind you can use from your phone. It's an app you download, but I'm doing here on my desktop. So I've already logged in as myself. And Remind is a messenger that allows teachers to communicate faster. So it's real-time messaging for schools, groups, or just a single individual. You're able to send text messages straight to any phone. So if all the students download the app on the phone, you're able to communicate with them and send text messages for quick reminders about projects. You're able to communicate with parents, and it just keeps everybody really updated. So you create a class, and I've already created one. I hit a trial. So here you can hit send a message, and then you can pick everybody. So this is a trial one, and then you type out your message. So we'll put good afternoon. They even have a translate button. So if you hit translate, you're able to translate your message into 70 different languages. This is great for parents who don't speak English as their first language. You're able to communicate with them. So we'll keep English, and as soon as I get out of here, English. And over here you're allowed to upload photos or videos. You can upload any file or a Quizlet. So this allows you to send like homework to students or something they've missed or quick quizzes. And you drop the items in here and you just hit send. So this will send everything to each of the students' phones. So they'll get a little send reminder on their phone saying they got a new message from the class. So this is a great way to communicate, and it's used by more than 70% of U.S. public schools currently. And that's my quick tutorial. Thank you very much.